Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the digital circuit breaker finder kit. I'm going to show you what it's all about, how to use it, and what I think about it. Here's everything that comes in the box. It comes with this plug, which is what you're going to be essentially testing. This helps find exactly which circuit breaker is for that particular port. So you can plug this in directly, or you can use one of the adapters. If you're testing a light socket switch, for example, you plug this in first, and then you screw that into the light socket. Or if you want to test a 2-prong socket, you can do that. This is an adapter for it. You can even test wires with these alligator clips. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. All right, what I love about these two devices is that it has an LCD screen and it gives you all the information very clearly on the display. So I'm going to plug this in here. I'm in the basement now with near the circuit breaker. Now it's going to tell you whether this outlet was wired properly, which it was. And another feature of this is that I can test the GFCI outlet to see if that is going to properly reset it. So I just clicked it and you heard that little click, which means that it is going to trigger. It just gives it a little minute, like not even a minute, maybe like a few seconds, just to show you what the voltage was before, which was 123 volts. And then it's going to show you what it is now, which is 0 volts. That's exactly how this GFCI outlet should work. All right, so I've reset this, so now it's back at 123 volts. I'm going to turn this on, and you might have to hold down for a couple seconds. All right, so the first thing it's going to do is go to learning mode, and we're going to go to our circuit breaker, and we are going to just go through each one and learn about where this power is coming from. And then once it is done learning, we'll be able to scan to see where the outlet is connected to as far as the circuit breaker. So I'm going to push the button. Now it's going to go to scan mode. Let's go ahead and scan. Okay, not that side. Oh, there's the winner. So this is the outlet, so we're going to turn it off. Let me double check here. All right, we just turned that off. And it just takes a second when the green light shows up, like when it starts blinking, it tells you that it's noticed a change, and then it gives you the reading right after that. So as you can see, this works, both of these worked as intended, and this has a really large range. So you can go anywhere in the house and plug this in and do the exact same process and step to find where that circuit breaker is. All right, I'm gonna turn this breaker back on. And as you can see, that turned on immediately to let you know the voltage is flowing. Overall, I'm pretty grateful to the brand for sending out this sample, and it's a really neat gadget if you ever need to find exactly which breaker you're working with. Hope you found this helpful and have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.